In our last video we just had explained you like one of the most important question, finding the missing numbers in an array. So in today's video I will just explain you one of the another important question in interview, just sorting the array without using any internal methods. So first thing we need to understand, like sorting is nothing but arranging the numbers either in increasing order or else decreasing order. So in this section we will just see both the examples, like how to increase our array at the same time decrease the array. So first thing, here we need to remember, like for whatever we are just sorting, we need to compare the numbers for sorting. Internally there might be any logic implemented, but for my interview purpose I'm just explain you, like we need to compare each and every number and we need to print like sorted particular numbers here. So let's start with iterating for with for loop, just for iteration purpose. I'm just starting for with index equals 0, index less than numbers dot length, index plus plus. Okay, next inside this I'm just declaring one variable int next index, because I want to compare with first index with second index, and it should go on, the process should go on. So I'm just taking it as index plus 1 because I want to compare. So I need the second number also, second index position number, next index position number. So I'm just taking here as index plus 1. Next I'm just taking one int temporary variable equal to, I can just assign it with numbers of index. Next here what I'm going to do is I'm just writing one while loop, while next index is less than numbers dot length. Okay, next I want to break the while loop after execution. So let me write let me increase my next index in while loop, so it get broke after execution has been completed, like while loop iteration has been completed. Next what I need to do, I need to compare. So we can compare with the help of conditional loop. So if we can use the if numbers of index is 0, right? So greater than numbers of next iteration. So if a particular value present at index position is greater than particular value present in next index position, so here what we are going to do, we are just storing the temporary variable as with lower numbers of next index. We are just reassigning the value for temporary. Next I just want to shuffle it, right? So what I can do is numbers of next index should be numbers of index. Here what we are just doing is we are just shuffling. So because the index position is greater than particular value, the numbers of index, like for example the index position is consist of 5, it is greater than 3, so I want to shuffle it. So here what I did, I just assigned my value 3 here to temporary variable, and here what I am doing is my next index position, like 3 will be replaced with 5. Okay, next, so 3 has been replaced with 5 and 5, so our array will be like 5 comma 5. Now I want to reassign the value for the one of the value 5 which is arriving before 3. So here the 5 which we are comparing, it is greater, it should be replaced with 3. So what I am going to do is I am just replacing it with numbers of index equal to 10, because we stored the value there. Next, after this I am just going to print my output, system.out.println. okay, I want to print it as temp. Okay, let me execute this. As we can see, we got the output like 1 2 3 5 7 9 10. So let's declare few more variables like 10, okay, 36. Let's see what's the output now. As we can see, our output will be 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 30. Now this is all about increasing order. What's about decreasing order? Can we do that? Let's check it out. Instead of greater than, I just wrote the lesser than. Let me execute this. What's my output? As we can see, 30 10 9 8 7 6 5 3 2 1. Interesting, right? In this way we can sort our array. So this is the one way, and second way, like declaring two loops. Let me show you that way also. Whatever is comfortable, you can use that one. Let me start my another loop. Okay, for int next index equal to, here this same way I'm going to declare index plus 1, while next index less than numbers dot length next index plus plus. Okay, after this what I need to do, I need to declare one temporary variable, right? So let me declare my temporary variable here itself, int temp equal to numbers of index. Okay, till here we are done. Now I want to write one conditional loop. If numbers of index is greater than numbers of next index. So yeah, I'm just following the same process and same conditions. Instead of while loop, I just use a one line statement for loop. Okay, next, after this what I'm going to do, it's very simple. I'm just reassign the values. So temp equal to numbers of next index, done. Now numbers of index equal to numbers of next index, next index equal to numbers of index. Okay, next, numbers of index equal to 10. So why I just declared why I just use numbers of next index is very simple. Like whatever the value in numbers of next index had already stored in temporary. So now I just don't need to worry like my value will be lost and everything. So it's already stored in temporary, so I assigned it with index value. Next I just reassigned index value with temp, right? Yeah, I just done one certain round of shuffling here. Let's execute this. Let's check our output. As we can see, it is sorted 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 30, right? Next, in the same way, if we just wrote it as lesser than here, the output will be the in reverse order. The same concept you can apply for string, at the same time list also. I think this will clear your doubts over this sorting of array. For more interesting videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Especially click on bell icon. Thank you.